Innovating energy, leading the future. Located in the heart of China, RoamEnergy Factory is a trusted name in the field of new energy technology. Known for its strong focus on industrial design and advanced engineering, the brand is committed to developing intelligent products where functionality meets refined aesthetics. With 9 integrated production lines working in concert, our operations now extend to 27 countries and regions, including the United States, Europe, South Korea, and Germany. In 2024, RoamEnergy launched a discharging solution compatible with all global versions of Tesla vehicles, providing a dependable, user-friendly way for Tesla owners to access external power whenever needed. The factory is carefully planned to combine production, R&D, offices, assembly, warehousing, and finished goods zones, ensuring an uninterrupted global supply chain. In China, our products have already achieved strong market traction, reflecting both the growing demand for power-out technology and the confidence users place in our innovation and reliability. RoamEnergy's long-term vision is to contribute to a sustainable energy ecosystem through steady progress, meaningful partnerships, and a commitment to thoughtful, future-ready design.